Hi. So I've done a video on DBAs before, but I didn't exactly show you how to file the DBA. So in this video, I'm going to do just that. Couple things to remember. One, it's different in every state, so make sure you're following the right process in your state. I'm going to use Colorado as an example. Two, DBAs are called different things in different states. So in Colorado, we call them a trade name. So I'm going to show you how to file a statement of trade name with the Colorado Secretary of State. I'm Mark Lyda from Lyda Law Firm. Let's get started. Okay, so here's how you do it. I'll go through step by step. I've Googled Colorado Secretary of State and I make sure that the URL is an actual government URL. You can go straight to file a business document, but just to show you the navigation, go to the Colorado Secretary of State's homepage and then scroll down to business, trademarks, and trade names. So make sure that your state, make sure you understand the term that they use for DBAs. In Colorado, we don't say register a DBA or a doing business as name. We call them a trade name. So I'm going to click on that link, and then I am going to file a business document right here. Notice that trade name renewal is another form. So after you do this trade name, make sure to renew it periodically when you receive those notifications from your Secretary of State to renew your trade name. But for now, I am doing a new trade name, which means I will file a form for an existing record, because the idea here is that you already have your business set up. Now you're doing a DBA or a trade name for that existing business. So that's what I'll click on here. I will use my actual business of Lyda Law Firm, click on that organization and confirm that I am authorized to make changes. There are, of course, penalties if you try to do a DBA or file some false report for a business that isn't yours. So make sure it's actually your business, obviously. All right, then you find the statement of trade name of a reporting entity. So the DBA is called the trade name in Colorado, and the reporting entity is just the existing business that is already reporting itself as a business to the Secretary of State. So that's what I'm going to click on. And then from here, it's just really easy. It already auto-populates my business's information, and then I just need to say, okay, what is my trade name that I'm going to use? So let's say that I want the law firm to start going by Legal Beagles, which I might really consider. I like that name. And then brief description of the type of business transacted or planned to be transacted. So it's as simple as just saying something like legal services in my case. You can choose to have it be effective now or later. I'm choosing now. And like with most filings with the Secretary of State, you can choose to add additional documents. You may have a resolution, some sort of corporate resolution to file a DBA or a trade name, but that's not strictly necessary. It just depends on your circumstances if there's some particular reason for needing to do that. And you always have the option for signing up for email notifications. I suggest you do that so that you get an email notification when it comes time to renew your trade name. And then you just put in your personal information as the person who is filing this document, and then click submit, which I'm not going to do because I don't actually want to be called Legal Beagles. After you click submit, it will take you to the page to review your documents and then to pay with credit or debit card the $20 fee in Colorado for registering your trade name. All right, so it's as simple as that. Now you have a DBA for your company. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to click like and subscribe to help keep legal education free and accessible for small businesses and nonprofits. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below or just reach out to us directly.